Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm working late. Working late on my internet marketing skills. I'm trying to get my skills up, so I'm getting better at it. But anyway, I gotta show you guys something. Landing page for Club Cash Fund. Let me switch my screen over. Yeah, this is my landing page for Club Cash Funds. Um, just request your kit. Got 2 videos. Like it said right there, you this is how I am getting $100 in my mailbox like clockwork. Yeah, so there's my link right here. Click on that. Put your name and email right there and go from there. Yes, yeah, this is my landing page for Club Cash Funds. So
Hey, what's going on? Danny Cash here of the Cash
I'm gonna
Empire.
play a
Thanks
video
for coming
right
to
quick.
watch my video. And in this video, I'm going to give you the Club Cash Fund exposed. I'm going to give you the full truth about Club Cash Fund that others won't tell you. It's very important that you do your own research before going into any new company, and it's very important that you understand and know what you're joining before you join it. Okay, so I'm just going to break down Club Cash Fund and tell you everything you need to know, be very informative, and basically go over the key details of Club Cash Fund. I'm going to kind of try to keep it short but informative, okay? So before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you're notified every time I drop a new video. All right, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave. All right, so let's get started. This is what I'm going to be going over in this video. I'm going to go over what is Club Cash Fund, what are the costs, are there any hidden fees, and what is the compensation plan. All right, so what is Club Cash Fund? Club Cash Fund is a new and exciting opportunity that rewards you for selling products and services and for sponsoring other participants who do the same. Club Cash Fund helps the average person build a solid foundation to achieve their financial goals. All right, Club Cash Fund provides amazing marketing modules for its members and the ability to build a weekly income in their spare time. All right, so you don't need any stamps, you don't need any envelopes, you don't even have to do any mailing or spend any time in the post office. All right, the company handles all of the work for you and even enters you into the company rotator, helping you get signups. All right, so what are the costs? To join Club Cash Fund and earn a weekly income is a one-time investment of $100. All right, that will activate your account and make it possible for you to begin earning. As a member of Club Cash Fund, you will also receive marketing training and your very own website to help build your list and build your business. Now, are there any hidden fees? When you join Club Cash Fund, the only cost is the one-time $100 to join. There are no other payments or hidden fees within the platform. It is free for you forever after you've paid $100. All right, Club Cash Fund is very transparent. Now, there is an option to upgrade your account in Club Cash Fund to pro status, but this is optional and not mandatory. All right, so what is the compensation plan? All right, when you join Club Cash Fund, you pay your $100, and your $100 is distributed in this way. All right, your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and then the company who is always in position number 5 gets $20. All right. Now, when you refer someone and they pay, you go into position number 1, and the funds are distributed like this. You get $20, your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and then the company gets $20. All right? Now, when you refer someone and then they refer someone who pays, this is how it's distributed. You're into position number 2, and the funds are distributed like this. Your referral will get their $20, then you get $20, then your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and then the company who was always in position number 5 gets $20. Okay, so it keeps going this way 5 levels deep. So I'm sure by now you can see the power and potential of how much money can be made with Club Cash Fund. All right, so the more your team grows, the more money you make weekly. So it's very important to help your team members get signups, provide training, and just help them be successful. This is one of the main reasons why I jumped into this head first and didn't think about it twice. Okay, this is one of the main reasons. The leverage potential is huge. All right, so if you're watching this video and you are not yet a member, and maybe you've requested your kit but haven't paid yet, what you can do is click the link under this video to join me and my team on Facebook. And as a bonus to those who join me personally, I'm going to enter them into my own personal team rotator. All right, that way you're getting referrals from the company, from their rotator, and you're also getting referrals from my own personal private team rotator. Okay, so you'll be entered into 2 rotators, and then you'll also be entered into our private group on Facebook where we help blitz each other's posts, get people excited, and help get signups. Okay, so that is it for this video. That was a quick rundown and breakdown of Club Cash Fund. Thanks for watching my video. As I said, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified of new videos. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
So yeah, that's how simple that is. Club Cash Fund. You request a kit. I got a group page set up for Club Cash Fund. All you got to do is click that button and request your kit. That's simple. That easy. That's very simple. Very simple to do. Very simple. So, thank you for watching this video.